Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VScode, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.3 population, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, first verify Visual Studio Code comes as the default application or not. So you don't have. Okay, so open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to code.visualstudio.com. Then we have to download this .debian package, or click on download, then select .debian. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 108 megabytes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. Now we have to install this Debian package, sudo dpkg-i, then code, then press the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. Add Microsoft APT repository for Visual Studio Code, select yes and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now verify, go to application menu, then search for Visual Studio. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code, click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, the other way to open is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore, so remove it to clear the space. rm code, press the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.3 population. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.